Hello again and welcome to the second video on LaTeX. Today we are going to talk about how to set the document structure and metadata. Every document has an author and a title. In fact, LaTeX has some common commands to define what is known as top matter. We can define the document's title with the \title command, the document's author with the \author command, and the document's date with the \date command. In particular, we can set the date manually, or we can use the \today command to have it automatically generated. So, I've just set up my name and the document title and everything. Where is it? The problem here is that metadata, or top matter, is not output automatically. Most classes actually define the makeTitle command to output the top matter. Some classes, such as letter, do not output the top matter at all, and instead define different commands for different purposes. So, what is sectioning? Probably the easiest way to think about sectioning is to imagine a book. A book is organized as a hierarchy of content. It has parts, chapters, sections, and so on. The same goes for LaTeX documents. The general form of sectioning commands is \, the sectioning command, then the TOC, the table of contents entry, as an option, and then the section title as an argument. Each sectioning command marks the start of a section. Notice that there is no command to mark the end of a section. Each section ends automatically when a new section starts. So what are the sections available to LaTeX documents? Well, as you might imagine, because different documents have different needs, different document classes in LaTeX offer different sectioning commands. Each command is associated with a number that indicates its level. The lower the number, the highest the section position in the hierarchy. If we look at the table, we can see that there is just one exception to the sectioning scheme, which is the chapters, and chapters are only available in books and reports. All other commands are available in every class except letter. The hierarchy starts at level -1, which indicates parts. Level 0 follows with chapters, then sections, subsections, subsections, paragraphs, and subparagraphs at level 5. Custom classes could declare even further levels of sectioning. While subparagraphs do indeed exist in the hierarchy of sections in a LaTeX document, usually paragraphs are the smallest sectioning unit. In LaTeX, paragraphs are separated by a blank line, as we can see in the example. We can also trigger the generation of a new paragraph by using the endParagraph command. in which case we do not need a blank line. Likely one of the most useful features of LaTeX is that every sectioning command creates an entry in the table of contents by using its title or the optional table of contents entry. So, as we have already said, sections are actually numbered by default. Each type of section has an associated counter that is increased automatically. Unnumbered sections can also be inserted by using the command for the section followed by a star before inserting any option or the section title. By using a starred section command, that particular section will not appear in the table of contents. In LaTeX, it is also possible to decide which will be the last among the sectioning levels that gets a number. Not only this, but it is also easy to choose which will be the last level among the sections that is included in the table of contents. So, for example, if we wish only parts and chapters to be numbered, we would use the command \setCounter set num depth 0. On the other hand, if we wished only parts, chapters, and sections to be added to the table of contents, we would use the command \setCounter talkDepth 1. It might be the case that we want to insert a non-numbered entry into the table of contents. In order to do so, LaTeX gives us the command addContentsLine. The arguments to this command will be, in our case, TOC, so table of contents, then the level at which we want to introduce the new entry, for example section, and then the entry itself. Wonderful! We have now decided how our document should be structured. But where is our table of contents? As with the top matter, it is the case that LaTeX does not automatically output the table of contents. In order to have it output the TOC, we must issue the \table of contents command. The table of contents will be printed exactly in place of the table of contents command. Not only the table of contents is printed in this way, but there are similar commands for the list of figures and list of tables. Nice! Now we have our table of contents, but hey, that's wrong. Something doesn't work properly. Neither the table of contents, nor the list of figures, nor the list of tables match the content. Why is that? It turns out that all of these things are generated every time the compiler is run. And the table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables are read from the previous compilation. So in order to correctly update the table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables, we need to run the compiler twice in a row. We should make particular mention of a section called the abstract, which is actually not a section in the proper sense. Scientific articles usually have a very small summary at the beginning, which is called the abstract. The abstract should appear immediately after the top matter, and we can input it by using the command \abstract and putting the whole summary inside the first argument. Note that the abstract can actually consist of multiple paragraphs. Not all classes support the abstract command, but those such as article and report definitely do. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video and found it useful, please click on the like button.